Brazil.
Z for Diana.
And here we go again. We are going to open some packages again.
Yeah, it's so much.
Yeah, and this is actually from my Amazon Prime shopping.
Yeah.
And yeah, I still have a lot coming. So this is just the second edition of my Amazon Prime Aftermath.
Yes.
Are you ready?
Yeah!
Yeah. All
I'm
right.
opening the big one.
Let's do it. So today we got like, okay, open that. We got like 11 packages today. All right. So let's go.
I already opened mine.
What's that? Ooh, what is this? Oh, wow. This is
Something Paul.
1,000 pieces.
No, something Paul. It's this.
Oh, okay, okay.
It's so
Oh,
beautiful.
just leave it there. Just leave it there.
Wow.
Okay, this is 1,000 pieces of
Look.
puzzle. Look, all right, there you
Look,
go.
guys.
And this one, she got some jewelry, some fashionable jewelry.
Ooh.
Let's show it up.
Yeah, it's so beautiful.
Mm-hmm.
So beautiful.
So beautiful, huh?
Here's the cap.
Alrighty.
Now it's time to open the second one.
Let's open another one. This one, what is this? Alright, so next.
Oh, this is so hard to open. Don't worry, I'll
What is
just
this?
rip it off.
This is a reusable grocery bags. Sounds great.
So you don't have to go shopping.
Let's see how it just looks like.
So this
Well, you
is.
already know what is it. It's just like
What is this?
what is? Oh, that's my.
Yeah. What?
Okay. Keep open inside, and I'm going to tell them what is it. And we also got it's yeah, it's something like a purse, small purse, or it's some kind of wallet where you can put your phone and everything on it. So let's show you how does it look like. Yeah,
Let us
so
see how it looks like.
alright, so this is it.
I'm just flipping it apart.
There you go. Wow. That looks great, huh?
I'm just flipping it apart, Mom.
It has something like this. Wow. There's a lot of pockets inside where you can put all your credit cards, your cards, your money. Well, usually here in the US we don't really use cash anymore because it's all about card. It's all about credit cards like that. So yeah, phone of course, and whatever you want to bring. So it's definitely a good stuff.
Mom, I'm just ripping this apart.
Go. Take your time.
No, sorry.
Wait. So what's next?
What's next? Razor.
Oh.
So hard.
It's just a curtain. Curtain.
Yeah, it's just a curtain. Mama ordered that last week.
Yep. All right.
What is this?
Baby curtain. Okay.
Apart. Take this out.
What you got?
Huh?
What you got? No. You're good. You're good. All right. She's scared with knife. Of course, I always tell her that it's actually scary. She needs to get away from knives all the time.
Oh, don't put it for me.
Come on. So far away from you. Okay, so what else we got? Let's bring up this.
Wow, I only got the boo-boo. I want another
We got,
one. So hard to open.
Oh my god. So we got a humidifier. humidifier.
Wow. So we got another puzzle.
Yeah, we got another puzzle.
Is it for peace?
Yeah, some of these are actually free, and some of the one we got is as low as 85% off. And yeah, of course we love deals, so rather than spending a lot of money buying the full, full price, then we need to find some deals. Right. So see.
Hey, I got something left in here. Oh, what is this? So, so look what we got. Look everyone. Look what we got. This is cool. Look.
Oh, what is that?
I actually buy this for you.
What is this? It says magnetic pad design for MagSafe. What is this? I don't even know what is this, but
I buy it for you.
well, of course, if it's free, so yeah, I don't care. I just place the order and that's it. Okay, the next one, Zai, is we got something like a storage.
Mom, can that be my room?
Nice, right? Cool. Small, medium, and large.
Mom, can you open this
Wait a
for me?
minute. Just take our time. Alright.
Mom, after this, can we, after opening these stuff, can we review the other stuff, Mom?
Yes, we will.
After we did this?
Yep.
Can
Okay.
you knife this part? Knife it?
Open this.
So let's see what we got. Oh look!
What
We
is
got
So we got a wireless mouse.
and we
What is
got a phone case. A wallet for phone cases.
We also got some phone case. Phone case wallet.
Put that knife away.
Alright. What's next? Oh, this is the coolest thing that I got actually. It's a artificial.
Oh no,
Oh,
it's broken.
oh, Amazon, what's wrong? Oh, probably they. Oh, this is not cool at all.
Probably the what, Mom?
It's broken.
Probably the what, Mom?
Anyway.
Tell me.
Anyway, it's cool. However, it's broken. So, well,
Wow, the
There's-
other one is good.
there's no problem with that. We can actually,
Wow, the other one is so
Yeah, so
good,
yes,
but this one is broken.
exchange it, or we can get a refund on Amazon. So
What is a refund?
that's alright.
What is a refund, Mom?
You can a refund. That means you can send it back, and they're gonna give back your money. All right. Next is what is this?
Da 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 da.
Silicone case. I don't know what is this too. All right.
Alright,
And that's
now
all
let's
we got.
review.
That's all we got for today.
Now let's
See you soon. We're going to review more products.
Yeah, let's
Alright, so all you gotta do is to subscribe on our channel
and
and
hit that notification button.
notification button. Tell them.
Hit that notification button.
No.
What?
No. Tell them. No.
No.
T.
T
V.
P
K.
K
Shin.
button.
Notification.
Notification button.
Alright,
Hit
that's
that
it.
notification button.